Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to another mini swatch video. Today we're going to be swatching all of these shadows from the iconic Cremated eyeshadow palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So if you guys want to see all of these beautiful shadows swatched, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for joining me for another swatch video. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so below real quick and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also in the comments below, please let me know if there are other products you'd like to see swatched. So let's just get right into this. Now this palette is extremely beautiful. Now for me, as you all know, I love typically very colorful palettes and just products in general. So this is quite different for me, but I've loved the more darker, smokier types of looks I've been able to create with it. So of course, I'm just going to swatch all 24 of these shadows for you. So make sure you get a good look at the shade names because I will be reading them as I swatch them. Let's get started. Now, as we get to swatching, please make sure you keep in mind that some of these are very, very pale shades, so they might not show up as well as some of the others. But starting right off, we have Hearse, then we have Inheritance, then we have Mausoleum, and then we have Obituary. Next we have Angel of Death. Dang, that's so beautiful. Then we have Wednesday, Embalmed, and Burial Gown. Alrighty, up next we have Gravedigger. We have Mortuary Beautician. We have Eulogy. And we have Afterlife. Alrighty guys, just as a refresher, we just swatched all three of these columns, and now we're moving on to the next three columns. Okay, we have Death Certificate, we have Last Look, followed by Life Insurance, and Casket Ready. We have RIP, Solemnly Swear, Last Respects, and Death Blow. Now, last but not least, we have Pallbearer, we have The Morgue, we have Goodbye, and we have Diamond Ashes. Stunning. Now, if you have watched my previous video where I did a full review of all of these shadows and created a beautiful look, you will know that there's a little bit of issue surrounding Diamond Ashes, but I'm happy to say that it definitely did a good job this time. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go check out the video and you can see what I'm talking about. So there you have it, all 24 of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Cremated Eyeshadow Palette shades swatched. I think this palette is absolutely stunning, and if you have not been able to try this palette, I definitely think you should try it. I really do think you'll like it. The formula overall is as amazing as his formulas usually are, but that is today's video all complete. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you get a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.